Hello, third and fourth graders. Happy Monday. I hope you are doing well and I hope you had a great weekend. So, this week we are going to be talking about equal sharing, also known as division. We've been doing this a little bit in the past couple weeks, but we're really going to dive into it and practice our strategy we've been using and practice writing equations, okay? So this week it's Let's Talk About Sports Baseball Edition. So we've been using this strategy for a while, RDW, read, draw, write. So I won't go over it too much in detail, but you should already know and remember that reading the problem is circling important information. What are you trying to figure out is the really main thing that you're looking for in the story problem. Drawing is drawing a representation or a model, and then writing is writing your equation and your answer. So we're going to go through those steps today, and hopefully you can follow along with the pencil or paper so that you can kind of practice our strategy. So we're going to go ahead and read the problem and circle important information. So as I read, I want you to be thinking to yourself, what numbers are important? What does this mean? What is this story problem asking me? And what am I trying to figure out, okay? Ashton had 27 baseballs. He wanted 3 equal piles of baseballs. How many balls were in each pile? So take a second, think about it. What numbers or what information is important, and what am I trying to figure out in this story problem? Okay, so as I'm looking at this, 27 baseballs is an important number because it's kind of telling me what he is starting off with. 3 equal piles. That's important information because I know that he wants to put the 27 baseballs in 3 equal piles. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that. And then what am I trying to figure out? It looks like I'm trying to figure out how many balls were in each pile. Okay? So now we're going to draw it. So I know I'm going to go back to my story problem. And I know I have 27 baseballs, but I want them in 3 equal piles. So I can go ahead and draw 3 circles to represent my 3 equal piles. Okay. And now I'm going to count up to 27, but I'm going to put 1 baseball in each pile so that I can distribute them equally, because if we go back to our story problem, we circled equal piles. That's a really important word, equal, because you don't want one pile to have more baseballs than another pile, okay? So I'm going to distribute the balls evenly into a pile one at a time into like 27. All right, let's get started to counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, so let me make sure that I have, because I might have messed up somewhere in between. So I'm going to make sure that all my piles are equal, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So I think at one point I did put, I kind of got out of order and I put a baseball here twice and I skipped this one. So if I put one in here, then I need to go back and put one in the last pile, and I went ahead and did that. So this just goes to show you may make a mistake, but you just have to double check it at the end. And I made sure that all of them had equal piles. So it looks like from my picture and my model that each pile has 9 baseballs. I'm going to count it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. So I shared equally the baseballs and they each got 9. So let's go and we're going to write down our equation and our answer. So we're going to be doing a division equation. And I know, let's go back to our word problem. I know I started out with 27 baseballs. I'm going to go ahead and write that. And then we talked about that if we're equally sharing, we're dividing that whole number 27 into equal parts. So dividing, and we divided it into, if we look back over here, 3 groups and equals. And how many did each group have? Each group had 9 baseballs. So if we go ahead and write our answer, it was how many balls were in each pile? There were 9 baseballs in each pile. All right, so now you're going to complete your exit ticket on Canvas. There are 2 questions, very similar. One's very similar to what we did today, and one's a little different just to see if you kind of picked it up and how you're doing. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye.